In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Shein gift card online, and this process is both quick and easy. Imagine you've just received a Shein gift card and you're ready to dive into a world of fashionable finds. Let's walk through each step to ensure you can seamlessly apply that gift card to your online shopping spree. To get started, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Shein website. You'll be greeted by a plethora of chic styles and trending collections. Take a moment to soak it all in, but remember, your mission is to find that perfect piece you've been eyeing. After browsing the extensive selection, zero in on the item you wish to purchase. Whether it's a trendy piece from their latest collection or a wardrobe staple, make sure it's something that complements your style. Once you've chosen the item you'd like to buy, click on it to delve into the product details. Here, you have the opportunity to select your size, preferred color, and quantity if you fancy more than one. With your choice confirmed, it's time to add it to your cart. Look for that prominent Add to Cart button, and with a simple click, the item will be securely placed in your online shopping cart, ready for checkout. As you proceed to checkout, find and click on the Checkout Now button. This step takes you closer to finalizing your purchase and moving towards the excitement of actually using your gift card. In the checkout section, keep an eye out for an area titled Coupon Code. It's here that you're going to put that gift card to work. At this junction, carefully type in your Shein gift card code. Enter the code as it appears on your gift card, ensuring there are no errors such as misplaced letters or numbers. Confirm you've entered the code correctly and then apply it to your purchase. You should see the total amount adjust accordingly, reflecting the gift card value. It's always a good idea to double check this to ensure you're getting the full benefit. Should you encounter any issues at this point, such as the code not being accepted, consider reviewing the card's terms or contacting Shein